Right, so welcome back to the channel. So today is maintenance day, so we're going to get things done on Twingle before we go away next week. And we keep finding little things on the van.
Like this.
Oh, you've took it off. I think it's an alarm. We're not too sure.
But it's not working. But then when I press that in,
Yeah.
it's made that light flicker.
There's a light in here.
It's made that light flicker.
Oh, right. Didn't
But
know
even though I've disconnected it,
yeah.
there's still power to that light, so I don't know what that is.
Okay. So, well, we can sort that.
That's one conundrum.
I'm sure you'll sort it. Hopefully, getting the sticker on the back sometime today when Steve finishes. When what? Steve, you what?
I finished faffing.
Faffing. Is that your new word? Right. So we're all sorted, all sorted in here. Bed's all made up. Whoop. Really comfy, this bed. Pictures are going up nicely. Kettles. We're having this taken out. This is our, oh, see me in there. We're having a cupboard put in there eventually. And this as well, having that taken out. We're not going to use them, so there's no point in having them. We might as well have extra space, even though we've got the space up there. We've got quite a lot of space in here. Up there for the TV, which we're not going to have a TV. Don't need a TV. Covered space. These are a food cupboard, but this is what I'd like this to be, a food cupboard. So everything's here. We've got this one, our plates. There. There's only two of us, so we don't need a lot. There's our little pieces that make it a bit homely. We keep thinking, what else can we do? What else can we do to it to make it homely? Got still more photos to add to this. Two granddaughters there. Other granddaughter. We've got a space here for our grandson. Space there for don't know what. But there's our family. We've not got a big family. It's just us lot. But we're a crazy bunch. And then there's sticker to go on. Obviously there's Twingle. Needs to go on. And then our new one. So hopefully get that on today. Bought some little lights. Got some about the bed actually. That was Steve's idea actually. To get little lights so it's cosy at night. I don't know what he said. Fridge. Fridge is our travelling bottle. Story to Fridge. Fridge got bought in New York. Nashville. Oh, I thought it was New York. By our daughter who came with us in 2019, and oh yeah, Nashville, there it is. Cost her $6. So we decided to have Fidge along on our journey, and then we found that Fidge has got family. So Fidge has got little ones. Oh, you couldn't make it up, could you? So anyway, this is the garage. Steve's in, it's a really big garage. We love it. Got everything in there. We're getting everything in there. We'll get our bikes in there as well. A ladder to get on the bed at night. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. A few drinks in our bathroom. It is good. It is. Got a big bathroom. We're lucky. Yeah, and the shower curtain goes all the way round. Loads of space. Loads of storage. I think that's about it. We'll just get everything sorted so we can get away on Thursday night. We're heading north to Scotland, seeing our grandson for a few days, and then heading west towards Loch Lomond. We'll have our sticker on. So if you see us, give us a toot, stop us, say hi. We've still got some stickers. So rather than post any more out, I'm going to take them with us so that we can hand them out. So that's it. That's our van Twingle. Catch you all on the road. See you later.